What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got another haul. You read the title. It's a 8 kg decor haul. Decor haul, I don't know how you say it. Decor. But I got a bunch of like rugs and like shelf items in here. I thought I'd theme a whole haul around it just to make it a little fun. But yeah, this haul costed around $100 to ship. It was 8 kg and it's pretty big volumetric, so I don't know why it was so cheap. It's kind of odd. Cnfans must have pushed out an update or something. It turns out Cnfans actually did lower their shipping. It is now 5 to 15% cheaper on all shipping lines. So let's clap it up for Cnfans lowering their shipping, guys. Anyways, back to the video. Anyways, let's get to opening this. Watch this transition. Boom, it's open. I'm just gonna dump them out on the floor. I got my selection down there. All right, I'm just gonna grab stuff. So off the bat, I emptied out the package and this light was on. All right, I don't know if it's been on the entire shipment process. I know I'm gonna get some comments about this haul because it's the most useless haul ever. So here you can already tell I have a Minecraft light up torch. Turns off, turns on. Came with batteries in it. It also hangs up on the wall like, wait, what? Oh, like so. It's actually pretty cool. But yeah, you know, it's some pretty good decor, you know, hanging on your wall. I'll definitely be using this or give it to someone. I think this was like around like $1 or $2, so go search for it in repsheets.net. Search Minecraft torch and you can find it. Next, I might as well stick with the Minecraft theme. I have a little Minecraft block here. And before you say you can find these at the Dollar Tree, these were $1 a piece, so I don't even care. Also, like, these would be like 20 bucks online. But yeah, this is I get the diamond version and it lights up. Oh, it got some charge in it. Look at it. Wow. Is that lapis? I think it's supposed to be diamonds, but it's more of like a lapis. All right, next I have 2 rugs, so I'll open this one first. I always love getting rugs from China because they're so cheap. Like this rug literally costed me like $10. I think it was actually $7. Look at the bag it came in. It came in a North Face bag. Like what? But yeah, I love getting rugs from China because they're so cheap. All right, guys, here's the rug. Can you tell what it is? It's a little bit wrinkled. It is a Travis Scott fragments. Wow. Can you tell? Can you tell? I'm gonna need to flatten this out somehow. But this is gonna be my 3rd rug in my room. I'm not gonna lie, I don't need another rug. Now it's on the floor. The next rug, you probably already see what it is. Came in a Montclair bag, which is kind of funny. Wow, this one's tiny. But yeah, this one is tiny. What the heck is this, bruh? This is kind of like embarrassing. Like I spent like $5 on this. This is like tiny. It's still a cool rug regardless. This is just tiny. I mean, the only purpose it serves is to be on the ground and to look cool. So it does look cool. But yeah, those 2 were around like $7. I'll put the price here, but search for Jordan rugs or search for rugs on repsheets.net. You can find those if you want to buy them. Next, this will surprise people, but Legos are actually really good from China. I know the box looks terrible, but if you want to save like $100 on each Lego set, buy it from China. Like this is a serious recommendation because this Lego set itself was 30 bucks and then shipping was around 30 more. So that's 60 bucks. I'll put the retail price for this set right here. I think it was around like 150 or 200, but this is the exact same thing. This is like my 3rd Lego set and they're the exact same things. Someone in the factory is like smuggling them out or something. I don't know. I know Legos are pretty popular, and if you want to save like $100 each thing, even more, like I'm not going to be opening this because why would I open it? It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll let you peek in the box. You guessed it, a bunch of Legos. But yeah, search up Porsche Lego or Lego and repsheets.net. You can find it. That is actually a gift for somebody, so shh, don't tell him. He's probably going to see this video, so... For the last 2 items, I have 2 bear bricks. I thought these were going to be a little bit bigger because I did spend like $10 on each of them. But I got matching ones of Sully and Mike Wazowski. If you watched the movie, you know. These are just like the coolest ones I found in the link. There was like a bunch of other cool ones. I just thought I want to get 2 of them, so I'll get matching ones. But I'm going to open it up. As you can tell though, these are like literal bear bricks. They're the exact same thing, just cheaper. Alright, so here's the Mike Wazowski bear brick. The Disney Pixar branding on the bottom. But Mike Wazowski bear brick, the head moves, spins off. Maybe it doesn't spin off. It's kind of cool, you know, like that's his hat right there. And then that's his whole body. His arm moves, legs move. Yeah, I'm a grown man playing with action figures. Like, this is bad. Nah, just joking. These are exceptional. These are really cool. They're like little Legos. Alright, on to the Sully one. So here's the Sully one. Pretty much the exact same thing, but just Sully. Can you hear the metal in there? The head moves. You can like make it like... You can make it like walk or like wave. I don't even know what you do with these except put them on a shelf. And let's be honest, a retail version of this is like $200. So what is the point of selling this for $200 and buying it for $200 when it's $10 quality and you can buy it for $10? That's just my take on bear bricks. They're literally the dumbest thing ever. They're cool. They're cool. Don't get me wrong. They look cool. But who's buying retail bear bricks? Come on, let's be real. Like what? But that concludes the 8 kg decor haul. Got some pretty cool items in here. Everything in this haul, like the entire items in here costed like 50 bucks. Like the rugs, everything combined cost me like 50 bucks. The shipping cost me like 100. The shipping was like 100. So overall, I paid like 150 for all this, which is the exact same price to buy this retail. So let's just say I know how to save some money. But yeah, make sure to get your Cnfans shipping coupons. I saved around $10 on this haul using them. Make sure you join my Discord. I have a huge giveaway going on right now. 3 winners, $30 each to the winner, credited right to your Cnfans balance. So it's pretty W. Make sure you check out repsheets.net. It's the best spreadsheet out there. Over 2,000 items on there already. More adding every single day. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.